Hello, I'm the Hollow Gobbo, and I'm going to be cooking something today. We've got everything we need to commit an atrocity. Hot dog buns, hot dogs, paper towels, a plate, and a knife. Whatever could the knife be for? Well, you see, we have one other thing. Peanut butter and jelly. Today I am making a peanut butter and jelly hot dog because I think it might taste good. Alright, we also have over here a microwave. This might be the biggest crime I'm committing beyond just the peanut butter and jelly hot dogs, is microwaving the hot dog. But not to worry, I've done it before. Step 1, paper towel. Step 2, open the package of hot dogs. Take the open hot dog, you put it on the paper towel, and you roll it up. Plop that bad boy in there. 1 minute. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the second part, peanut butter and jelly part. Now you should always start with the jelly. Just a little bit of jelly right on top here. This already feels wrong. I don't want a lot. Oh, microwave's done. Alright, then we put the hot dog on. And with the peanut butter on the hot dog is the plan. Ooh, it's steamy. Oh. Oh, and yeah, even more jelly on the other side. This actually looks good. I'm gonna be honest. This looks delicious. Crunchy peanut butter. And there we have it. A delicious looking peanut butter and jelly hot dog. And now is the part where I eat it. This is my lunch. I don't think I got enough peanut butter in that bite. It's actually not bad. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. It sounds stupid. Peanut butter and jelly hot dog. Hollow Gobbo approved. Peanut butter and jelly hot dog. Actually pretty darn good. If I were to change something, I'd use a little bit more jelly, and I'd use creamy peanut butter instead of crunchy peanut butter. On top of that, if it was like a grilled hot dog instead of microwaved, I think it would definitely taste 100% better. Which is saying something, because it already didn't taste bad, it tasted pretty good. Feel free to comment below any other weird food combinations. So, for that matter, if you liked the video, like the video. If you like peanut butter and jelly on hot dogs, which you should, because it was good and I liked it, and anything I like you should like, subscribe. Maybe. I might have that again at some point.